Mama a brief history about Kejetia na mentor masem so. Before President Kufuor beba abamu in 2000, na Kejetia was muddy at Techenkwa, and this was how it was. Na emba in the Didra, it was an open market space to the air. Obiate ne baby edinidwa, there wasn't any proper arrangement and a kwine did them na ya teche ya a form kra na yen kase and history chese baby Kejetia wan kasa ne ho yinsuom enti se ne nsuo tode a ateche nko a emete ye ho a then time baby Costa pharmacy e wo no na ye kekere panyin nsuo ne ye yi anka enso ho nkofo yam kenke fan yogurt fo wo mu achi that time no baby a zoo dan no side na eni Kejetia ye direct opposite no na ho na ye twa watermelon enti ubedru ho enua twa asisi ho nyina besen akwakosi baby adehye market wo no na wo muyi watermelon e wo nua na se na wo mu twa ateche nko a na run about yesisi a otumfo esimu na this symbol na neso enipa miensa na gina run about maami ane ba hye na che wohwe nsuo so jani okutatu na papa bia obokube that time no the only place na about to indicate atoto race course race course na race course mpo no is better because race course mpata wo ho na ba bi so wo ho asese yakaste be satam Kejetia na yengu efom kra mpo na ya atechepa enti president Kufuor bae no ye na adwen so obeye Kejetia yi. Enti that time no abani dri race course every adehye market hwa koftwam e wo culture center echi ekopie bantema odri ho nyina na ode man ne cars ne nyina ekogugo enti abani ye Kejetia we na afa ya lorry terminal afa se obi de bottle se pharmacy si makoni nyaado and it wasn't allowed enti obetimi atonwade na chese so apampam a ode kwa echima because na de ayine se omumpese traffic ebe chimu bebre ka lodu ya na watu enso wa winim yekure antentam enti nkofo de table besisi mama se ka lodi a ebetumi edi beye 1 hour 30 minutes na enti nimpe mfe lorry terminal ni mu sa into about 5 years time terminal nya 5 years and inside say net line A line B line C sa said the omuye na sa which robi kra na kwa akoforo ka aba wukroma na ye easy because with the A line B line C line e be kere na into terminal nya 5 years na and the health research was carried out na research ne ba abonten na chese research ne say obia watna Kejetia ho e be continuous for 6 months and has a 30% chance of developing any form of cancer because of the amount of cancer na e watermelon ho na ka mu wisie age environment ni nyina afanti na aman enipa te ho a na the chances of developing kokram no na e wosoro pa. And don't forget to say we were talking about an open to air space a lorry terminal. Baby a ye kan ho asemi say wotena ho cha ubenya cancer no open to air enframa fam awia bom enso so togum enso na a doctor for say enye safe. If I'm not exaggerating, I can tell you that Kejetia no Dubai na so-called Dubai na environment na onhwe ya oxygen saturation wo ho no into 80%. Into 80% because the na ya bie so kra yese enye na de yakata so a ye de ka eni nipa agum enframa mfam awia mbom enso ntom na se baby oxygen level into 80% na nipa timu de biara da eni nso so ebenya wono so na saa no mani nyina plus galamsey abainin tinini na onhwe na enka ho asem no na ama ye health system no aye bisi basa eya na ye de ye nibre ekoso ye nurse force no yemfansia nyame pa ibehia bi